Tesla Robovan, everything we know about the computer mouse-shaped van backing up the smaller Robotaxi will be this. The much larger Robovan. Tesla's Robovan is a futuristic concept that promises to revolutionize transportation, unveiled alongside the Robotaxi. This self-driving van aims to fill the gaps left by its smaller counterpart, features, and design. The Robovan can seat up to 20 people, a significant upgrade from the two-seater Robotaxi. Its design features overhead glass portals and finned lighting, with rows of seats facing the center. Tesla envisions it as a versatile vehicle, capable of serving as a passenger van, cargo carrier, or even a school bus. Reality check, however. The Robovan remains a concept. Elon Musk hinted at its potential, but like the Robotaxi, it's not yet a reality. The vehicles showcased at the event were more akin to theme park rides, following set paths in controlled environments. Technology and challenges. The Robovan relies on cameras and artificial intelligence for navigation, similar to Tesla's current models. This approach has been criticized for lacking the redundancy of radar and LiDAR sensors. Tesla's full self-driving system is still in testing, raising questions about the feasibility of full autonomy. Future prospects. While the Robovan's release date is uncertain, Tesla suggests it could be available around 2027. Pricing remains speculative, but it's expected to exceed the Robotaxi's projected cost of $30,000.